card a chassis rule ye na ye adwin say Ghana card ho nsem no afedi obi a gya to be a register Ghana card ni bi ni ade nipa dodo na nsa ka bi no because na chassis previously Ghana card registrations no na o medical chassis dada na manfo register yenya wo card wie ni panifo che say eno ebetumi ama yen authentic identity anase de ebema yetimi ehu se asemasi ankasa onie bibie wo mu bia no well secured yebetumi akase yebegina so na bibini a yede benya nipa kra ono no ne sim ni enti eno ne yede ye se yede be registration na 2021-2023 Ursula Owusu akufo then Minister of Communication and Digitalization was so mu a yes yemfa Ghana card no emfa enye. Now the purpose was that yebebua na yetumi ama wo mu a ekura simwa esan se one register ni ye nti wo mu didi abone fosem obi wo kura no a ode obi Ghana card e na register na de obi wo nso a obehwe no ode obi mfonyini na ato nso nye ono ane dia enti no omo ye se yenye exercise se be ya fraud no mobile money amanfo obi wo no ma behwe no obi atwe sika afiri obi airline so ne ade nyina na ekoso bebre momo fraud na no ade ni nyina mu no ye hwieye no etuo ntwae momo fraud ni ade ni gusu a ekoso sim bi befrew ebi wo no ma wo chase a wutumi se we oye froster enso behwe din no na nipa a wo kasa no kura enye ne dia enye wo no a ebi wo kura be check kura din no kura ma enti e kire wo se problem na nke yese ye dey solve no eda so e wo ho 2026 in fact it started 2025 na hu nkomodie ba ya Sam George Minister for Communication o sha se yensanye registration no efofro na ba ko na yedi kan ye no emfunsuo ewum emu nkomodie bebre achase a eba na ade a ema 2021-2023 de efeli ye eni. In fact, letter way dated 19 January 2022 over Facebook Facebook never had there. This particular letter NIA National Identification Authority and a press release by a press release what they beto mountain at the chair concerning certain a letter bia one more respond ye na no much as a man for Daniel Sem it do ha SIM registration exercise biometric identity verification via NCA Android registration application. Enti sa letter no ne title na edaso a wo respond ye e de call e koma opanyina na sa abre no executive secretary e de Ghana Chamber of Telecommunications era Dr. Engineer Kenneth Ashibi na papa yi extra letter e de koma NIA National Identification Authority say Communication Ministry no ne NCA National Communication Authority epese omo ye SIM registration nemum omo kofa mobile app bi application bi dia ba ye de phone so e betimi dia register ebe ye application ebe ma na ye simple na ye se wo ye ya scan bibia na chese etimi ama SIM registration na aye possible na bra papa yi etro krata se wodi ko bisa NIA se sa application na ye be use no eye safe na ebe boa ye dwumadie no ye betumi akase ye de call ye because Ghana card any ye de be registration ti mu amoye Ghana card na National Identification Authority no mu hu sa dwumadie na ministry no peso ye ne sai na eno na National Identification Authority responde ya wode ma yira eye Kenneth Ashibi na sa letter no Jeffrey no to so ma me 13th September 2021 de no omo responde ansa na 19 January de ba omo responde omo say the design and development of the process by which the National Communications Authority acting by itself or through a third party will collect and store biometric data of SIM card holders is exclusive to NCA. The NIA does not have any input in the development of said Android registration application. For this reason, NIA is unable to confirm that the biometric data to be collected by NCA for the purpose described above will meet standard to enable successful verification against the National Identification System, NIS database. Near which say National Identification Authority woman a Ghana card no wɔn ma ye Ghana fo nyina wɔn register ye ewum ni sɛ communications ministry no Oslo Owusu Ekofo and the National Communications Authority wɔn mo pɛ sɛ wɔn register nkrɔfoɔ sim na ebisaya Kenneth Ashibe ebebisa wɔn no wɔn pɛ sɛ wɔn kyerɛ sɛ application na NCA any Oslo ministry ne pɛ sɛ wɔn use no NIA ntimi mfa ne nsa ensi ne bo saa time yewura ɛyɛ Kenneth Agyemang Etefua oso ntimi mfa ne nsa ensi ne bo sɛ ɛyɛ papa ebetumi aboa because third party bi obi foforo a wo free baby a wo no NIA no enimu hore na ɛbɛyɛ adwuma ni tu ntimi nkyerɛ sɛ adwuma on bɛyɛ na betumi adimu a ɛbɛboa yɛn okan 13 September 2021 letter no response or the coin no and someone with the coin ni bi no Jeff ko IV no emame de na okan was a media application no or say this is an Android selfie app which will perform SIM registration and verification of identity of SIM card holders in one step and return to the telecommunication companies and NCA in one step a verification code and agreed database from NIA that is guaranteed by the NIA to be accurate and reliable. The use of the app is not developed or certified by NIA to read the Ghana card using the two-step data collection. And the process no person mu use krade ya de no a ye betwa holders no on step verification no a ebe mu ehu se ye check se ampa card no kra ye papa card na ekura wo no kra no efri NIA for no sa app no mbe use no entimi ndi sa adwuma no. It was a warning from the beginning in 2021. And a man was the NIA for Canada say omun support a SIM registration. And a NIA for the press release by on the 19th of January 2022. Ebeka say omun yoma say bia omu stop SIM registration. 19th January 2022 the no Jeff Safato Sumami biem. And the attention of the NIA has been drawn to letters circulating on social media with caption SIM registration exercise biometric identification verification via NCA Android registration application. Now over paragraph 3 now or say in the GCT letter of the 3rd September 2021 with reference number Wabobo Dr. Ashibe sought 3 specific technical clarification. Now what you say is about the app. Now uko wenim na uko paragraph 5 now we say the NIA stands by every statement contained in its response letter of 13th September 2021. Now it is factual, accurate, correct and honest. It is the midi kan catch we say NIA for say omuntumi eni dance ma app na Oslo Owusu ne nkrofo pese omu yusu e de register nkrofo omuntumi ni hu dance say ye papa no. Let away on the bear in 2022. No person much say, no kind of the Sujina. A factual so to me any near dance here master process no won't be you sabren. It will kind last aspect after paragraph 7. I'll say evidently the lead letter of 13th September 2021 currently in circulation was written more than 4 months ago and should not be seen as having been written in January 2022. It should also not be construed as constituting an attack on the importance of ongoing SIM card registration exercise. Now, almost so say NIA for nyese bia almost attack exercise na ekoso ba almost kire no kure wum. It tells us say National Identification Authority edi kan e ma yehu say process na omu be use edi registration from 2021 to 2023 no sa application no be use no emwayen per the 13th September 2021 letter no which has been confirmed on 19th January 2022 NIA release no actually say the process na nanka ministry no use ye no mo de registration no MYN na enye papa but the intini ye call ye nimu a still ye yes our registration no edu kaya na wotwe mu ya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ekasa ya wo kire say there was a problem Nanta wantawa da Nhyira Agyemang Etefua NIA boss entem ene Ursula Owusu Ekofo nti na ma se ombetumi asenki data wonu mbehwe se NIA omu data ni de yansu ya gigini yetimi aka abom no wonu mu ntokwa da omu ntemu ana mentime ho ase da omu ntemu ti no womu anka amomu anye sa adwuma no enu nti ne ho akohia se yesa ye ne foforo no Enti na approve se process na ye 2021 to 2023 ni nyina no wonum nsa nim omuntimi ni ho adanse because application na no mu use de dwuma na nkasa omo se enya papa emwaye but we went ahead and ye registration no manfo ko di lie mekai tese obedu MTN office bia na se ene ada yi no na nipa kiwe wo ho no ebitumi kotra ho ado patu anumre na omu ni di ye. The struggles that a nipa komu ewo kromu ha to just register our sim. Ni nyina no enim say application no emwayen. But we wasted the time, the precious time of Ghanaians. Ye say nipa mre me ekotratra ho. Ewi ase no. Ye ka kire ye say anye ye 2021 2023 de na anye ye enti ye nsa meye ne foforo. Meanwhile ye hyase no ano indication from NIA aba say emwayen. The big question is that I didn't know what we did anymore first process in 2021 2023 the imun anye yi no ya waste your time sika ye say no nya agro no I didn't know sabri yenya ho hwe yemfre wo mu bia emom yi wo mo ho ano ewo empanimfo anim na yemfo nyina mra no because o maboye ka. Oh yeah, was the telcos no and afaka no communication adwumaku no and oma faka no edi enye aban ne ka ba kan hu say Ghana fo na etua because say MTN boka say other telcos ne boka wo mo cost of operation wo mo ka wo mo ba wo madwuma ho nti wo mo de bewura wo madwuma nim enti ebeba ye data mu ebeba ye airtime mu tuto data no to airtime no a wutua ka nan kakra enti enye free said the moka no emeda dai enti ka ya bo eni sika ya se no 2021 2023 no edia na mo ye de afa ho because Ghana no obi betena so no ye pani na wo sei bibia na wo hye o man ni sika ni ahwe ne saa waste man for time see registration na nkosi re. What questions are we asking? Prosecutions ben na say hwe say timi koso. Because enya tra kwa. Yentimi nkase obi ni obi nkasa nti. Said the mampani ekae no. Say na woslane tefu nkasa nti enu nti na ama wo mantimi coordinate ama anye successful with Ghana card no. Enu mfa ye ho. Ye time na ye waste no ene hia yen. Yes, we will see another time, whether we are doing it on phone or we are going there to do it. No, a waste of time because my family phone crash may fail it. Now my yenima register and also may say media before. We must think about that. And yet to see a bay on the phone soon and you bibi. And say even if it takes me 20 minutes to finish registering, my say a precious time. So people need to answer questions. Ewo 2021, 2023 dealing. A dintia, NIA my indication say I didn't know why an answer your call edimua equal ye. O my will be a show my nisika bibia. No funny wedding oko. That is it. But you are Sam George. Aka de dede si ebeye na amanfo bebre bisu wo monye ebisu wo monfo mo hunhyem because of the fact that Sam George mo verification o maye e de card ni bi etoto ho no ye hu say about 80% sample o mo fa e kakra a wo mo de ye ye hu say 80% de e correct say ye correct de a na de ebi no mo kire ni say o mo de ye correct no emma che Ghana card no ewe na ho no adentina ye ma omumum no nya registration no ye finding way strategies bi ebe ma sa 19% o se na akape no omumum no ebe ye registration proper registration na ye nyina na ye sekoye is a big question that some Ghanaians are asking and they are legitimate because Yera Sam George entimi nyini hu mfrim ebre bi atwa mu total record Sam George can see or say
if you are saying that the last
registration Ursula mo ye no Sena Ursula enim se ebinom ho a omo card ne ade ne antimi anko so yi a ene omo sim registration process na anko yi a yenyi sa ankrofo ni mfrim ne ma wo mumu nya omo de foforo ye betimi kra e de a compare DVL database NHI tie no
registration that was done. That's the argument of the ministry, that some people use fraudulent national ID cards to register their SIM cards. That should not mean that all 32 million active SIM card holders in Ghana today, or all 32 million SIM card, the holders must go through a re-registration. Identify those whose cards are fraudulent, because you can do that using the Ghana card registration database, the NIA database. You can do that using the EC voter database. Do that using the SNIT database, and do that using the DVLA database. These are, and even the National Health Insurance, these are all biometric databases that we are synchronizing in the country. So you can do a cleanup of that data.
Edi Sam George no say you feel say sa data na waje first no Ursula fee say bia emwa no a uso mo gigivie na esi bi no ho a omo amfa Ghana card papa na ye ne adenti no bebre na wo ho no a ye san koye registration ne foforo ne adenti o kire say enisi ye sa koye ni nyina foforo Sam George na e ka say etwa so omo a ye identify omo so omo de ne ye fraudulent no yen compare to the database na sa ankofo no mum yen sort omo out na omo nkoye. So the big question is that edenti na Sam George right now ono an suggestion ene ni ndie mu ni nyansem adwen pra odema Ursula say Owusu no. Now it has changed. There pressure na eba ne so e dey na opeso achieve Sam George. Then now person will achieve their pressure neighbors, because this was a fantastic submission I will make here in the past. Brana Ursula and the Nimuno, Uchreno the SOye, which means say omo de enyeno. And I yen sort to out because the nature said no more dial star 400 hash na. Omutimi so Ghana card no I register link it. Enti omo no means you also omo koye biem. Enti omo de yen link no. Wow, we need no aden na sankrofo no nko a yen so to omo no mo nkoye sa na wo kan in opposition. What has changed? What has changed? Even you went ahead to say so wanye ne senti a wo kra wo register. You not even go ahead.
If tomorrow I decide I want to do a Ghana card, it is my Ghanaian passport I will take to the NIA. You don't have a Ghana card? No, I don't. And I've not registered my SIM card.
I've not registered?
No. And that's why I said I was waiting to see how on the 1st of April my card would be deactivated. I wanted to see how that would have happened in this country. Because you see, it makes absolutely no sense for you to say Article 296 of the Constitution. I don't have a Ghana card. If tomorrow I decide I want to do a Ghana card, it is my Ghanaian passport I will take to the NIA.
You don't have a Ghana card?
No, I don't. And I've not registered my SIM card.
I've not registered?
No. And that's why I said I was waiting to see how on the 1st of April my card would be deactivated. I wanted to see how that would have happened in this country.
And the opposition is different. When we are in power, and also is different. So what is wrong with the wisdom of Sam George a display here in opposition? So we could actually compare the same registration fraudulent ones with NIA and DVLA and NHI database. Okay, what's in biometrics? We could just compare with that one. Now the fraudulent ones in every. So Sam George, what has changed now? It just is a big question to you. What has changed? What is different now? Wow, Nyansana de Mayen in opposition, Entiminya Juma Bium say Anna. Anna, are you under pressure to do this? For what reason? You see, said the Amanyoform some city. And these are the big questions I threw to Sam George. It was your own statement that there's no need to say Ghana funina sako sala isi ye koye biem anampo kra ye besa ye se yenko baby se apusu ana bibia se de wo kire se be ye apusu ne ade ne ye be kwa koye biem yen sort out those fraudulent ones yen fan compare database yen yin free. What has changed now? Can't you do the same thing now? Ye de amanyosem sa na dru babia we omo ese omo kwa adwuma omo ese omo o adwuma mkura no register ne sim 20-30 minutes no de be ye wo so a o waste time no we ye free chese we are going back again. But can we do this suggestion ne beboa Sɛ nko munyi fraudulent ones, mun identify no nko na munyi free comparing to database. Amanyo sem no, e wo kuro mu ha. Abusua me ba.